Hey everyone. Today we're diving into a hot topic. What's the difference between Revit MEP and AutoCAD MEP? If you're working in MEP design, knowing which tool suits your needs can make all the difference. Revit MEP is a BIM, Building Information Modeling platform, meaning it maintains parametric relationships between objects. AutoCAD MEP, on the other hand, is a CAD-based tool, primarily using blocks for design. While AutoCAD MEP has parametric options, it doesn't offer the same level of intelligence as Revit. Revit MEP is object-based, meaning changes to one element update across the entire model. AutoCAD MEP also offers parametric sizing, but Revit takes it to another level with dynamic relationships between objects, improving coordination and reducing errors. Revit MEP works within the Revit ecosystem, seamlessly integrating with Revit Architecture and Revit Structure. This allows for real-time collaboration across different disciplines. AutoCAD MEP, while powerful, is still based on AutoCAD's geometry platform, making collaboration less dynamic. Revit MEP provides tools for structural analysis, energy modeling, and cost estimation, making it a future-proof choice for BIM workflows. AutoCAD MEP is great for transitioning from two-dimensional drafting to three-dimensional, but it doesn't offer the same advanced capabilities. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for a true BIM workflow, parametric modeling, and better collaboration, Revit MEP is the way to go. If you're still working with AutoCAD-based drafting and transitioning to three-dimensional AutoCAD MEP might be a great first step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And of course, hit that heart button to support us. See you in the next one.